Hi guys, I'm Sim and today I'm going to show you how to do a simple waterfall braid look. So the first step, we're going to spray our hair with this TONI&GUY prep spray. So this will just help you get a better hold of your hair whilst you're braiding. So next we're going to take a small section from the front and we'll split it into 3 as if we're doing a regular French braid. Ooh, that's a bit small. So once you have your 3 sections, we're going to take the top outer layer and drape it over the middle, and then take the other outer layer over the middle and form one full weave. And then we're going to take some from the top and join it into this top layer. Get that? And that will go over your middle section again. You take a section from underneath and that will become your new third section, and that will get draped over. So we're just going to add a smaller section into the top section here, and that will go over your middle strand. And then we're going to get a new third strand from underneath, and that will go over the middle. And then we're dropping that third bit and adding a new bit at the top again. So we're just coming to the end of the braid now and coming to the back. So we're just going to finish this weave off and secure it with a clip like so. It's nice and secure, and then we'll start on the other side. So we're just coming to the end of the braid now, and I will show you how we're going to secure this. So you can either continue the plait and have like a single braid going down, but in this case I've just chose to pin it. So a bit of a tip to hide your grips is you push from the middle upwards and then bend over and push it in, and it will hide your grip. So now our braid is secure, we can go ahead and remove this clip that we used earlier, and your braid should stay perfectly in place. Okay, so we're just going to tame our baby hairs with this TONI&GUY taming wand. Perfect for neatening up your style. Oh, messed that up there. Don't do what I just did. Yeah, just gently tame away these little hairs and just rub any excess product into your hair. And then to secure the style, we're using this Invisible Ultimate Hold VO5 hairspray. And that's it.